Hello friends, today we are making dhaba style mixed vegetable recipe. And look at this recipe, how yummy, how tasty, how nice it is looking, how the vegetables are combined with this masala. Welcome to my channel. Now let's start the recipe. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Veggies you choose as per your choices. Here I have taken beans, carrots, potatoes and capsicum. And now we will sort these veggies. Firstly sort these potatoes. Let remove all the starch from these potatoes and then we will add the next veggies, all veggies, that is beans, carrots, capsicum. Here I am adding in it. Sort these veggies properly. Let starch from the veggies go out. Here we don't need veggies to steam and all. Just put a little oil on a pan and just sort it. Let's fry it properly nicely. And here I have done all the veggies have fried properly. Here we see the next step. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Here I am adding whole spices. Just I have added 4 black pepper and then cinnamon leaf. Here you add 1 or 2. I have taken 1 cinnamon leaf. Then cardamom, 2 cinnamon and the cloves. I have taken 2 cloves here. Just fry it properly. These whole spices should sort well guys, because this flavor gives in the sabji is very nice. And this is the way we are making dhaba style mixed vegetable. Here I have added 2 chopped onion. Let's sort this onion properly. We don't need to make a paste and add in it. This is the dhaba style we are making this mixed vegetable. And this is the proper way to make this dhaba style mixed vegetable recipe or mixed vegetable sabji, whatever you call it is. Now here I have taken 1 bowl to make a paste or to give a gravy to the sabji. I have taken 2 tablespoons of besan. Then I have taken 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri lal mirch. If you have a normal lal mirch, then you can add in it. There is no need to take only the Kashmiri lal mirch. Here I have taken chaat masala half tablespoon, and then cumin and coriander powder 1 tablespoon each, and the very important kitchen king masala. It gives very nice taste to the sabji. If you don't have this kitchen king masala, then use garam masala also. Adding water here to make a paste of the spices. Besan I have added for the balancing, because besan is very important in this dhaba style mixed vegetable sabji. Here I have mixed these spices with the water, and again for the adjustable I have added again water here. Consistency of this paste should be proper guys. Now our onion also fried. Let's check it. The color have changed. You can see it. I am adding the paste in it. This gravy gives very balance to this sabji guys. We should add in it and sort well. Just added gravy in it and sort with the onion. Sort till it releases oil. Here I am adding water in it. Sort it properly guys. Let raw smell comes from this paste or come from this gravy. Till it releases oil, we should sort it nicely. And here I am adding water. Sort till water and this gravy should mix properly. Very important step here. The masala or the spices should release oil. Adding 2 tomato puree here. We don't need fine paste. This tomato puree and this paste should sort it well. Let's mix it properly. You can see it, how the masala and the tomato puree have mixed very well. In this dhaba style mixed vegetable sabji, we don't need any type of kaju and badam gravy. Just we are adding besan, and now we will add little bit of curd in it to give a proper balance to this sabji. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd. Just add in it. Now the curd and this gravy should mix it well. Sort well, guys. Sorting this paste or this gravy is very important in this mixed vegetable. Now added salt and the water as per your taste and consistency you add in it. Now I am adding the fried vegetables. If needed, add water and cover the pan. Let cook the veggies properly. Please subscribe, like and share to my channel. Now here I am checking the sabji. This veggies little bit takes time to cook properly in this gravy. Now here I am adding pinch of sugar, kasuri methi, green chili and the grated paneer. The veggies you can add paneer also, but just grated paneer I am adding in it. Sort it well. Let the sabji and gravy combine properly like this. You can see in it. And here our sabji is ready to serve. Hot. Eat with chapati or roti, whatever you want, whichever you like. And the sabji is ready. Dhaba style mixed vegetable is ready. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. And thanks a lot.